Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is the Bass Guy letting y'all see this update. I got my water pump in. I got a new belt that you see right here. That belt was put in. I put in everything myself, the water pump and everything. So I didn't charge or have a mechanic to actually put this in. I put it in myself. So this is up and running. You know, glad to say. I'm gonna start it up so you all can see how it runs now. And I just think that my alternator, my belt was getting a little squeak because that pulley was slightly cracked from the beginning. So right now everything runs great. Don't have any problems with anything. No squeaks. The belt is tight. Water pump is good. Everything is running perfectly. Alternators don't get hot. And as you can see, the water pump is good because it looks cleaner than everything on the freaking engine compartment. But to give y'all an update that I got this portion done, and I'm gonna have to order my next 7 FI subs. And if y'all don't know, that's what, $3,500 I have to come up with to get 7 more subs. So just so y'all know, I don't get discounts on anything. I may get like a small one, but not nothing crazy. Well, I'm getting like $2,000 discounts. All my audio equipment that I get, I pay full price that they sell it on the website. So I have to come up with $3,500 to get these 7 subs, 7 more, because I already got one already. So it's definitely expensive, but I definitely will be getting them. I probably might buy 2 more at the end of this month, and then just keep buying them until I get them. So it's gonna be a while before I actually get them all in, and every time I get a set of subs in or something in, you guys will be updated. So just let y'all know, once I get these FI subs in on these power amps, it's definitely gonna be something to see. All right, so y'all got any questions, hit me up.